Let's take a look at using those rules and applying them to these algebraic expressions. So starting at number 1 here, we have 4 times a, b, c. Now, we have one number, so the number 4 sits down alone, nothing can happen to it. And we've got a, b, and c. Well, it's already in alphabetical order, so the answer to this algebraic expression is 4a, b, c. The second one here, 4a times 2c times 5d. Okay, so we have 4, 2, and 5. So we're actually going to multiply the numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And we simply take these letters, these pronumerals, and put them in alphabetical order. Number 3 is 3p times 2p. So we times 3 times 2 is 6. P times p is p squared. Because they are like terms, when you multiply a like term, okay, how many you see is the number that's represented here. This one was different because it didn't have any like terms. They were all separate. So that's why we have a squared and nothing like that over here. Question 4 is 5 times bracket a minus 2 bracket. Okay, there's not much that we can do here. We're just going to take out this symbol. So 5 bracket a minus 2 bracket, and that's the answer. We're simplifying this expression, okay? There's not much that we can do. We can't multiply anything really. So we just take this multiplication symbol out and leave it as 5 bracket a minus 2 bracket. Question 5 over here, we've got 2 sets of brackets separated by a multiplication symbol. So we have p plus 6 times q minus 3, and the p plus 6 is in a bracket and the q minus 3 is in a bracket. Very similar to this situation here. We go bracket p plus 6 bracket, bracket q minus 3 bracket. We're simply removing the multiplication symbol. We can't do anything with the p and 6 and the q and 3. There is no relationship there, and there's no indication we're going to multiply into the brackets. So we just basically remove the multiplication symbol. Number 6, we've got 5 times a times 2 times p. We've got some numbers we can multiply. We can multiply 2 and 5, so that becomes 10. And we just put these pronumerals in alphabetical order. That's it, very simple. This is probably one of the most simple ones you'll come across. The answer is 7c. We flip them around the other way because numbers come first and pronumerals come second. And the last one here, 4 times d times d. 4 doesn't have anything to play with as regards to multiplying. There's no like terms, so 4 sits alone. And d times d is d squared.